Hello and welcome to 1 in 5 Finance, one finance topic in just 5 minutes, just the essential. So today I'm going to show you how you get financial data in Microsoft Excel that can be refreshed by just one click. Alright, to do so, I suppose you already have a Google account. If yes, then just open the page docs.google.com and your screen will look like this. You click here on the main menu and then Sheets, and now you need to create a blank sheet. I already prepared one, which is this one here. I open it and you see that we have 4 columns here. The first one is just the identifier of the particular security. So more important for us is the second column here, where we have the code. This code here will be used by Google to retrieve the financial data. So question will be, how do I get this code? Pretty simple. Just open the page Google/finance, and now you can enter the name of whatever security fund or stock that you're interested in, like General Electric, and you see the code appears here. So the first part is just the stock exchange where the data comes from, and the second part is the abbreviation of the stock. All right, so enter this code here in the second column, and in the third column this code will be used by the function Google Finance. So just enter equal to Google Finance. The first argument here is just the field of the code, and the second argument is whatever data you're interested in. So here, for example, we have close yes, which is the closing price of the day before. All right, here in the fourth column we got just the price, which is the current price that will be refreshed several times a day, so it's almost data in real time. Okay, that's it. Next step would be, how do I get all these different arguments for the Google Finance function? Pretty simple too. Just visit the page here and you find a documentation of the Google Finance function with all the codes like trading volume, high and low prices, etc., etc. If you're done with this, then click on File and Publish to the web. Now select just the sheet that we just created and not the entire web page, but comma separated values, CSV. And now a link is created for you. So I push Ctrl and C to copy this link, and I open Microsoft Excel, a blank document, and here I click on Data, Get Data from other sources, from web, and now I paste the URL that I just copied. All right, here it is. I push on OK, and you see this is my Google Sheet. So formatting seems to be okay. I click on Load, and the data will appear in Microsoft Excel. And the cool thing is, whenever here, data, I click on Refresh All, then this table will be refreshed and the new price, etc. data will be updated for you. Okay, that's it basically. Here's a summary of all the steps that we went through. I will paste the link to this document in the description of the video. So as you have seen, it's quite simple, and in a follow-up video I will show you how you can analyze and create your whole portfolio within Microsoft Excel by using all these data. All right, I hope you liked it, and see you again.